Today, people around the world are celebrating Earth Day, so we're showing you some fun ways you and your family can get into the Earth Day spirit at home, thanks to the help of Jonathan Shearer from the Vinci Science Center. Good morning and happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day, Eve.
And welcome back. It's great to have you back again.
Good to be back.
Thanks so much. So I know that we're talking about activities that we can do at home, as I mentioned, to help kids get into the Earth Day spirit. And you said you just whipped this little contraption up. Those were your words exactly. What did you make here?
All right, so we've been thinking a lot for Earth Day around sustainable energy, greener energy.
Sure.
You guys were talking about solar and wind, which are both really awesome. But we at Da Vinci and our friends at Lehigh University have been looking at another source, which is generating clean energy from ocean waves.
Oh, okay. That sounds pretty cool.
It is cool. So I whipped up a bit of a wave energy converter, they call them.
Yeah, you did. Okay.
And the good thing about waves is, unlike solar, they go 24 hours a day, so we could constantly be harvesting the energy.
Okay, neat.
All right, so what
did you make here?
So what I've built here is I've got a coil of copper wire up here, just wrapped around a hollow tube. I've got a rubber ball that I just grabbed from our gift shop, and I've stuck some magnets onto the end of it. And the cool thing about magnets and wire is that if you can get the magnet to move through the coil, it actually generates electricity. So I've hooked it up to a galvanometer here, and if we start making electricity, we should see that show on the needle there.
Okay, so we want to zoom in right down here, right, guys?
So the idea is our little rubber ball is going to bounce up and down on top of the ocean waves every time a wave goes past. And
energy, Jonathan.
Yeah, so that's creating about 2 or 3 volts. So that's enough to light a light bulb or run a radio or charge your phone. And so that's off our small little wave energy converter here. That's small enough you could run that in your bathtub.
Okay.
But the people at Lehigh University are predicting that we could potentially power 1/4 of the United States homes from wave energy if we started harvesting this. And if we started doing rivers and tides as well, it could be 1/3 of the country could be powered by wave energy.
Cool. So some neat possibilities there, right? Well, your visit today is very fitting, and our talk about energy is very fitting because it's the year of the planet at the center. Tell us what's happening at Da Vinci right now.
Yeah, so we're celebrating all things about the Earth, and come May 30th, you'll be able to come into the center and you'll be able to visit our National Geographic Earth Explorers exhibit, which is going to be absolutely fantastic.
Cool. Now tell us about this exhibit. Is it a hands-on?
It's very hands-on. So the idea is you're looking at 5 of the most amazing places on Earth. So the poles, the savanna in Africa, the oceans, and you get to follow along some famous explorers who actually went through there and found all these amazing discoveries we're talking about. You get to try some of the equipment they used, you get to see some of the animals they saw. There are model hot air balloons, there are model shark cages. It's going to be absolutely fantastic.
Sounds great. And of course, people can come into Da Vinci today if they don't want to whip up something like this at home. Just go over to the Da Vinci Science Center.
Yeah, in the spirit of Earth Day, we have a lot of activities around greener energy throughout the center as well. So come in and try them out.
Always a fun place to go, and you can get more information on your website, davincisciencecenter.org. We'll also have a link to everything we talked about today on our webpage, WFMZ.com. Thank you, Jonathan. Happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day.
Thank you. And we'll be right back. Stay with us.
Well, you can knock me down, step in my face, slander my name all over the place. We'll do anything that you want to do, but I'm